Belgium, a country that might be small in size but is enormous in its offerings. It's a small country with a big heart, where every corner is filled with warmth and hospitality. It's a place where history, art, and delicious food come together in perfect harmony, creating an unforgettable experience. Imagine strolling through medieval squares, where every cobblestone tells a story of the past. Picture yourself indulging in world-famous chocolate and beer, savoring every bite and sip. Belgium is waiting to charm you with its scenic views and iconic landmarks. Are you ready for an unforgettable adventure? From thrilling activities to serene moments, Belgium has it all. Belgium is a feast for the senses, offering a rich tapestry of cultural and culinary experiences. You can wander through historic cities like Bruges and Ghent, each with its unique charm and history. You can explore the vibrant capital, Brussels, where modernity meets tradition. And don't forget to taste the culinary delights that Belgium is famous for. Belgium is renowned for its waffles, chocolate, and fries. Getting there is easy and convenient. But first, you need a visa to embark on this journey. Don't worry, we'll guide you through the visa application process, making it as smooth as possible. With a little planning and preparation, your Belgian dream will become a reality. So, pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Ready to explore Belgium? Imagine strolling through the charming streets of Brussels, savoring delicious chocolates, and immersing yourself in the rich history and culture. The first step is your visa application. This might seem daunting, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. It's easier than you think. With a bit of preparation, you'll be ready in no time. You'll need a Schengen visa. This visa is your gateway to not just Belgium, but a whole array of European adventures. This special visa lets you travel to 26 European countries, including Belgium. Imagine the possibilities. Start by visiting the website of the Belgian Embassy or Consulate in India. Here, you'll find all the information you need. Download the visa application form. It's a straightforward process and the form is easy to follow. Fill it out carefully and honestly. Accuracy is key to avoid any delays or issues. Make sure all your information is correct. Double-checking can save you a lot of trouble later on. Next, gather all the required documents. This includes your passport, photos, and any other necessary paperwork. We'll discuss those in the next section. Having a checklist can be very helpful to ensure you don't miss anything. Once you have everything, schedule an appointment at the Visa Application Center. This is where you'll submit your application and documents. Remember, it's always best to apply well in advance. This ensures you have plenty of time to handle any unexpected issues. This gives you enough time to get organized. Proper planning makes the process smoother and stress-free. Your visa application is important. It helps officials understand your travel plans. Make sure your application is complete. Include all the necessary documents. Here's what you'll need: your passport, visa application form, recent photographs, travel insurance, flight reservations, accommodation proof, and financial documents. These documents show that you're a genuine traveler. Your passport should be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. It should also have at least 2 blank pages. Travel insurance is crucial. It protects you in case of emergencies. Timing matters when applying for your Schengen visa. The best time to apply is well in advance of your planned trip. Aim to submit your application at least 15 days before your departure date. Processing times can vary. It's always better to be prepared. Applying early gives the embassy ample time to review your application. Remember, you can apply up to 6 months before your trip. Don't wait until the last minute. Plan and submit your application early for a smooth travel experience. Section 5. Maximizing your chances: the ideal visa duration. When applying for your Schengen visa, it's wise to request a duration that aligns with your travel itinerary. For a higher chance of approval, consider a visa duration that comfortably covers your planned stay in Belgium. If you're unsure about the ideal duration, it's always best to consult with the Belgian Embassy or Consulate in India. They can provide guidance based on your specific travel plans. Remember, a well-planned itinerary increases the likelihood of a smooth visa process. Section 6. Funding your Belgian escapade: financial requirements. To enjoy your Belgian adventure, you'll need to show proof of sufficient funds. This demonstrates your ability to support yourself during your stay. The required amount can vary. Check the Belgian Embassy or Consulate's website for the most up-to-date information. You'll typically need to provide bank statements for the last 6 months. This helps verify your financial stability. Having enough funds ensures you can fully immerse yourself in the Belgian experience. Section 7. Unforgettable encounters, must-see attractions in Belgium. Belgium is a country brimming with captivating attractions. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or a foodie, Belgium has something to offer for everyone. From historical landmarks to artistic treasures, there's something for everyone. The country's rich history and vibrant culture are reflected in its many museums, galleries, and historical sites. Start your journey in Brussels, the vibrant capital. This bustling city is not only the administrative heart of Europe but also a hub of culture and history. Explore the magnificent Grand Place, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This central square is surrounded by opulent guild halls and is a must-see for any visitor. Marvel at the intricate architecture and soak in the lively atmosphere. The Grand Place is often bustling with events, markets, and festivals. Don't miss the iconic mannequin Piss statue, a beloved symbol of the city. This small bronze statue has a big reputation and is a quirky highlight of Brussels. Venture to Bruges, often called the Venice of the North. This picturesque city is known for its winding canals, cobblestone streets, and medieval buildings. Take a boat tour along its charming canals and admire the medieval buildings. The serene boat rides offer a unique perspective of the city's stunning architecture. Indulge in delicious Belgian chocolate and waffles. These sweet treats are a staple of Belgian cuisine and are sure to delight your taste buds. Ghent is another city steeped in history and beauty. This vibrant city is known for its medieval architecture and lively cultural scene. Visit the Gravenstein, a well-preserved medieval castle. This imposing fortress offers a glimpse into the region's storied past. Explore the charming Paterschol district, known for its narrow streets and cozy restaurants. This area is perfect for a leisurely stroll and offers a variety of dining options. Section 8. Embrace the Belgian spirit. Savoring culinary delights. No trip to Belgium is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. Be sure to try these iconic treats. Belgian waffles are a must-try. Enjoy them with fresh fruit, whipped cream, or chocolate sauce. Belgium is renowned for its chocolate. Visit a chocolatier and sample a variety of flavors. And don't forget to try Belgian fries, often served with aioli or other sauces. Belgium has a rich beer culture. Sample different varieties from fruity lambics to strong Trappist ales. Section 9. Belgium awaits. Start planning your dream trip. Belgium is a country that will captivate your senses. From its stunning architecture to its delectable cuisine, there's something for everyone in this charming corner of Europe. With your visa in hand and your itinerary set, you're ready to embark on an unforgettable Belgian adventure. Explore historic cities, indulge in culinary delights, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Start planning your Belgian escapade today. It's time to experience the magic of Belgium.